Which is your birthday month? Instagram add your story template. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you how you can do this viral trend right here and also where you can find it. So keep on watching. So first of all, you'll have to go to your Instagram app, click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for Ali and John YTT. Once you get here, you will have to click on January 2024 at highlights. If you go to my story, then you have to know that it will expire in 24 hours, so you may not find it there. So click on the highlight. Now tap until you find your desired sticker. There we have it. Now click on the add yours button. And right now you will have to add a photo with you if you like by clicking on the left bottom corner on this button, and it will get you to your gallery and you can choose a photo with you from there. I will go with this one. Now to select your birthday month, you will have to click on the stickers from the top of the screen. And now you will have to search for check and choose what check mark you like from here. I will go with this one. And now you can place it next to the month you were born. And that's it. And once you are happy with your story, you can share it with your friends by clicking on the left bottom corner. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like it, you can subscribe to our channel, and you can also comment in the comment section down below if you have any questions, and I will make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.